Car Story research indicates this vehicle as low miles and a good deal. Features also include leather seats, cooled seats, ventilated seats. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, wheel locks, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, ventilated front seats, roof rack, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Come see us at Alderson Cadillac. We have a great selection. We have great people. We value our customers before, during, and after the sale. We're generations deep in luxury since 1949.